God gave each one of us a special family that we can call our own. A family that loves us for who we are so we would never feel alone. They may not like everything we do or everything we say, but the beautiful thing about family is that they love us anyway. Sometimes we feel rejected by people who do not care, but our hearts are warmed when remembering that our family is always there. So, hug them a little more often. For sometimes we hurt the ones we love, and tell them how much you love them, for they were sent to you from above. I, Alankrita Yadav, welcome you all for the celebration of Family Unity Day, where my friends will show you how they spend quality time with their family.
Granny, do you want to hear a rhyme?
Yes, Harshika.
So I will sing Two Little Dicky Butts for you.
Okay.
Two little dicky butts sitting on a wall. One named Peter, one named Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul. How is that, Granny?
Wonderful.
What is this?
Grandpa, this is a thought booklet which I got from my school, and this will make me a global citizen. Example of a thought from this quote booklet. I quote, education is a creative and a continuous process. This thought means that you learn something new every day, and the thing which you learn is continuous.
Once there was a goat who lived in her beautiful house with her 7 kids.
Avril, what are you doing?
I'm reading a book.
This is not a correct way to read a book. There is no voice modulation. Wait, let me help you. Once there was a goat who lived in her beautiful house with her 7 kids.
You read it so well. I will also read it. Once there was a goat who lived in her beautiful house with her 7 kids.
Very good.
Ishan, today I am going to tell you a story. The name of the story is The Reward of Kindness. Once there was a man who lived in a city. He was very wealthy, he was very rich, but his behavior was not nice. He treated his servant very badly in front of everyone. One day when his master left the house for his office, he ran away from the house and he reached into a jungle. In the jungle, he was wandering here and there for food and water. At last he found a cave. He thought that cave was a safe place to hide. His master can never find him in the cave. Okay, he went to sleep in the cave. At midnight, he was woken by a howling. That a tiger is coming close to him. Tiger came close to him and said that a thorn is stuck in my paw. The servant took the thorn out from his paw very gently and they became good friends. After some days, the master's men caught the servant. They took him to the master. Master was very angry with the servant. He said that put him before a hungry tiger for the punishment. On the day of punishment, when the tiger was about to attack the servant, he recognized him. And suddenly the servant also realized that he was the same tiger that he saved once in a jungle. Okay, everyone was so amazed to see their friendship. The masterman was also amazed to see their friendship. At last he forgave the servant and let him go. So the moral of the story is kindness is always rewarded. Okay, the servant is kind to the tiger in the jungle, so he was rewarded. So Ishan, you like the story?
Yes, I like the story.